Hi everyone, welcome back to the Tech Basis channel. In this video, I will show you how to add someone to a Slack conversation. Whether you are new to Slack or just need a fresher, adding someone to Slack is a simple process that can help keep everyone in the loop. First thing, you have to open the Slack app and enter the workspace. And now, open the Slack conversation you want to add someone to. And next, click on the Add People icon located in the top right corner of your Slack. Here. And click the Add People. Click the Add Specific People. And type here the name or email address of the person you want to add the conversation. And simply click that person name and click the button Add. And that's it. You have successfully added someone to Slack conversation. Whether you are collaborating with teams or communicating with clients, this is the simple process will help you keep everyone in the loop. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.